Hi everyone. Do you face any challenges while managing your ad campaigns? Have you ever faced any problems in tracking your campaigns? If so, then this video is the perfect watch for you. So let's get started. What are the strategies for a better ad campaign? You must know how to create reports for your ad campaigns. You must know how to automate your ad campaigns. And for most important, you must know how to manage all these things. In this video, we will learn all this deeply and learn how we can manage and track our visitors very easily. The features that we are going to talk about in this video. We will talk about the detailed analytics, where we are going to have advanced paid media analytics, analytics from different platforms all at one place. We can monitor our ad campaigns and optimize them easily. We can put all our data into Google Sheets by connecting it with the web analytics and down funnel metrics. We can bundle reports, automate and use data API to automate our process and generate more leads. So let's get started with reports. So here are a variety of customizable reports which you can use. You can use pre-built templates to create reports, or you can create a dashboard of your own for managing and tracking your reports. So let's see how we can do this. I have created some dashboard already. Like I have created this one, test. Here you can see that here is a drag and drop feature which you can use to create reports. Like if you want a bar chart or a table, you can just click over that table. You just have to fill some entries like its title, that name its demo, and then whatever metrics you want to measure, you just have to put those metrics over here. Just click on save, and you will find that a table is automatically generated. So in this way, you can track your visitors, you can track your ad campaigns according to the metrics what you want to measure using these reports which you can customize according to your need. Automation always reduces your repetitive tasks, and instead of doing those tasks again and again, we can automate them and focus more on increasing your ROI and generate more leads. Here are some actions that you can use to automate your ad campaigns processes. Like you can create an alert if you get no impressions on a day through your email. You can create some bulk actions, like if you want to increase budget by 20% for all of your campaigns, you can do that in a bulk. You can also use some rotations and some scheduling automations, like you can run your ad only when the business hours are open, or you can run your ads or decrease your ad limits bits on weekends. So in this way, you can automate your processes and focus more on generating leads and create more ROI. The major problem while managing ad campaigns is tracking. That how you track your audience with using detailed analytics. Here is a global dashboard that provides you detailed and deep analytics of your ad campaigns, for which you can track your audience and measure them on different metrics and parameters. You can also customize them for a time span, like for 1 month, for custom time period, last 7 days, and etc. So here I'm going with the last 3 months. Here you can see that it is showing us the total CTR, average CPC. It is also showing us our total summary across all the networks that we have run ad campaigns. It is also giving us a detailed graphical representation of our metrics, our clicks, our impressions. It is also showing us the number of active campaigns and inactive campaigns. In this way, you can track your audience, you can analyze your campaigns, and you can analyze what's going good and what's going bad, your area of improvements through which you can increase your conversion rate and master your ad campaigns. Now, how it will help you and your business to generate more ROI. The bonus point is that while running ad campaigns on different platforms, you can measure, track, and manage all of them all at a single place. Yes, you can prepare your campaigns, manage your campaigns from different platforms all at a one place. You can run multiple ad campaigns with ease, schedule them, and you can track your ad campaigns easily. You can automate your processes to get better ROI. And using these processes, you can optimize your ad campaigns to increase your ad performance and generate more leads. If you are facing any challenges, if you are facing any challenges in managing your ad campaigns and tracking your visitors and your audience, if you are facing any problems in increasing the performance of your ad campaigns and managing the ad campaigns of different platforms, so feel free to contact us. We are a team. We will be happy to share our knowledge and expertise with you. Thank you.